So this trick is called the Australian Magician's Dream, and the reason for that is because whenever I am doing magic tricks, and certainly when I'm doing shows or being videoed, I always have strange dreams the night before. And in this case, it was a dream where an Australian magician came to me, this was last night, and showed me how to do this trick. So basically the first thing to do is just spread the cards so that you can see it's a normal pack of cards. And if I was a better magician, I would have done that in one go, but here we go, just spread them out nice and evenly. What I like to do is point to any card somewhere in the middle of the pack.
There.
So what we're going to do is then take that card, and we throw all of those away. So that was your free choice, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Completely free choice of only. So we take the rest of the cards, and you'll see why we wanted to get rid of some of them in a moment. But what we do is then do what's called the down under deal, the Australian Magician's deal that the Australian Magician taught me in the dream last night. And the way you do this is you go down, under, 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 down, under. And we throw those cards away. The idea of this is we'll end up with a card that absolutely no one could have predicted in advance that we would end up with. So what we then do, we do the same thing again. We go down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under. So you can see it's a really slow trick, which is why we wanted to get rid of some of the cards. So let's do it again. We go down, under, down, under, down. And as always, we throw away those cards. And then we do it again, and we go down, under, and now we're left with a card. So, you could have split the cards one place further, you would have got a completely different card, and it's a completely normal pack of cards. It was your free choice, wasn't it?
Yes.
So, we ended up with the 8 of hearts. Did you have any idea in advance that we would end up with the 8 of hearts?
No.
There's no way that anyone could have known that either. Except that's the strange thing, because whenever I have this dream, the Australian Magician comes, he always tells me a predicted card to put in an envelope, and in this case that's what happened. And if you look down under the magic mat, you'll find there is an envelope that's been there all the time. So if you'd like to open that envelope and see what's inside it, you'll find a prediction of what we predicted your card would be, and it is the 8 of hearts. But it's even more amazing than that, because actually we produced a magic book about 6 months ago, and I have these dreams all the time, and just before the magic book was printed, I had a dream, and the magician knew what card you would pick, because even back then, 6 months ago, we knew your chosen card would be the 8 of hearts. And that's computer science magic. Thank you.